going on, guys? Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing video. Some 9005 LED headlights I had ordered for my '04 Suburban. You know, I rarely use the high beams. You know, I can count on one hand over the years how many times I done used the high beams. I rarely use them. But you know, I be having HID lights or LED lights for the headlight. They be bright enough, so I don't really have to use the brights. But I figure I'm gonna change the fog lights and the headlights with the HIDs, so I might as well just get these to stick them in the brights when I'm got everything out. But this is a kit that I had ordered off Amazon. It'll show you how to install them. It's basically simple. A lot of the lights just come, you know, with this right here. This comes with a little box. Look like they well made. So yeah, just getting something to stick in there while I got everything out. I really don't have to change them, but I figure if I'm changing the headlights and the fog lights with the HIDs, I might as well just get something to stick in there. The brights. See that? Got the fan on the back and everything. Yeah. And I suggest you guys, they got like headlights, like the old halogen bulbs. I done did both of them, the HIDs and the LED headlights, and I think they both is great, way better than factory. The halogen lights, LED lights is nice and bright and clear, and I think HID lights is brighter to me in my opinion, but they both is a better upgrade from halogen lights. Alright guys, I ain't gonna make this video too long, but you can see it's well put together with the fan motors. So stick everything back in here. I install that when the rest of my stuff come, and I'm gonna be doing an unboxing of the HID lights for my fog lights and my headlights when they get here. Whenever they get here. I thought it was all gonna come together, but you know how they be sending that stuff. You order it all together, but they send it in separate boxes. Yeah, and they come with, for those who never did it, I mean, some vehicles are self-explanatory, but they just show you how to do it. I mean, all vehicles is different on the way you got to take them in, but they just basically showing you how to screw them in there. So, you know, see that? Alright guys, don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Stay safe out there, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. I'm out.
Perfect.